Okay, welcome back, and I just ate lunch, so I have my handy dandy Coke here, so I'm just kind of working through it with you. So let's take a look at how are we going to use, just make sure that you are completely in understanding of what you're doing with your thesis. So remember, the yellows are videos for the most part. Only ever change the green boxes, please. Those are the only things you can type in. That I want you to type in. None of the other things are you going to touch. Okay, so make sure the yellows are usually videos in here. You can click on them, you can watch them. Watch them more than once if you need to, if you don't understand something. And I have a couple of videos here, so it just kind of breaks everything up into chunks. So I'm not covering everything in one video. That would be kind of overwhelming for you, I think. It would be overwhelming for me, so I'm going to chunk all this up into little tiny videos here and there. Okay, so again, if you need to maneuver back and forth, you do that by clicking over here in your menu bar, and this is where we're at. So make sure that you are flowing through each step. Each step should roughly take you about 1 day, maybe at the most 2. That's a lot. But every day you should be clearing a step. Okay? So that's my expectation, is every day you're clearing a step, you're moving through all of these steps, okay? So I've tried to make this process for your rough draft as smooth and easy as possible. Okay? If you have questions, let me know. But remember, you're only going to be typing in the green boxes. Don't change anything else. See these white boxes? No touching. No touching. Okay? If it's pink like this or blue, no touching. Okay? So, the yellow are videos. You can click on those, watch them if you need to watch them more than once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Do it. Because obviously if you think, I don't know what she's saying, maybe after about the 3rd time watching the video, you might want to meet with me because there's something you're just not getting. Alright, if you have questions, I will be around. You need to make sure that you do what you need to do. Again, the expectation is 1 step a day. So you need to work hard. I know you can do it. You guys are hard workers. I see you around. Questions, let me know.